This is just a short video to show I've cut my exhaust down. When I brought the bike it had that big dent in it, so I brought another one and I thought I'd chop some off the end to get a bit of sound. I ended up cutting just under 100mm, or just almost 4 inches, and I'm quite happy with the sound. And it also looks a lot better. Louder than standard, and it's not too loud that it's going to cause problems or draw attention. From start to finish it took me about an hour and a half. It's quite simple in the end. And while I was at it, I also painted my screen just for a bit better look. Quite happy with the way it turned out and saved a bit of money.